Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Delaware Bay south of the line between East Point, New Jersey and Slaughter Beach, Delaware, the Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook, New Jersey and Fenwick Island, Delaware out 2240 nautical miles, including Bethany Beach, Cape Henlopen, Rehoboth Beach, 28-mile wreck, Atlantic City Reef, Buoy 2 FB, Buoy 2 MS, Buoy 3 FB, Buoy 4 FB, Brigantine, Brown Shoal Light, Cape New Point, Cape New Reef, Deepwater Reef, 5 Fathoms Buoy, Great Egg Inlet, Great Egg Reef, Ocean City Reef, the Lump and Wildwood Reef, until 11 o'clock p.m. At 9:32 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds over 40 knots or greater over Atlantic City Reef, moving southeast at 25 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near coastal waters from Little Egg Inlet to Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey, about 20 nautical miles at 9:50 p.m. Waters from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware, from 20 to 40 nautical miles at 10:20 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. This is NOAA Weather